Hi everyone, my name is Annette Echikunwoke. I'm a search specialist at Empower.
My name is Brandon Trame, 2015 alumni here of the Lindner College of Business, and I work for 2060 Digital. I love working with local businesses. I help run campaigns for them, and it provides a lot of variety, and I get to work with a lot of different people.
At Empower, I love that I get to use data to get clients like the best results, essentially. Keep doing what you're doing and the rest will figure itself out.
Tell myself at that age to just be a little bit more patient. Grow my family. Me and my wife are expecting our first kid.
I don't know, I think I hope to still be competing, being an athlete at a high level.
Hopefully, double the size of our business at 2060. That'd be great.
My coach, she's an awesome mentor. She hasn't just been like a coach in just the athletic sense, but a life coach, I would say too. She's been really awesome. So yeah, Susan Seaton.
Definitely some good mentors here at the College of Business, whether it be Mary Ann Lewis or Rich Sweeney. Definitely a family man, so probably my father. Top Cats team after I graduated, so Woody's.
Top Cats.
Do I sing karaoke?
I feel like Don't Stop Believin' is a little corny, but it is a good one.
Come on, Eileen. Reds.
Oh, FC Cincinnati. That would be dope.
Toxic?
I'm on the field. Yeah, no, just kidding. I don't play football.
I do host a tailgate right next to the College of Business every home game.
I'll bring the food. How about that?
Maybe specifically driving overnight in 2012 to watch the basketball team play in the Big East tournament in New York City.
I would say it's the people that made my experience at UC really great.
Energy, confidence, and impact.
Energetic, community connected. Dr. Roseanne Hassey, easily. Loved her energy.
Rich Sweeney. It's from my dad, and it's to leave it better than you found it.
At the end, it'll be good, and if it's not good, it's not the end.